to all. This is me, Advocate Dr. Yamini Rajesh, an international legal consultant. I am the primary settlement authority for the international treaty claim of $380 billion under Bipa. Bipa is the international treaty between Government of India and UAE. This video is an appeal towards the Prime Minister Office of India and the Chief Minister Office of Maharashtra for justice. Justice delayed is justice denied. This is a legal maxim. It means that if legal redressal or equitable relief to an injured party is available but is not forthcoming in a timely fashion, it is effectively the same as having no remedy at all. A wonderful and incredible project was established in Mumbai by Thakur Family Trust in joint venture with SP Group, a popular real estate group in Mumbai. Unfortunately, because of the wrongful acts done by SP Group, by submission of few forged documents to the judicial authorities like Anti-Corruption Bureau and Govt, it became its first biggest mistake and the whole project got stopped. Upon submission of the forged documents by SP Group to ACB, Anti-Corruption Bureau, they have completely rejected this. And SP Group has again submitted the forged documents to the Enforcement Department and they have accepted this forged documents is the second biggest mistake. Depending upon these forged documents, 55 false cases were filed against the managing trustee, Mr. Thakur of Thakur Family Trust, and the Supreme Court has, after verifying all the relevant submissions of the arguments, the whole 55 cases were quashed by the Supreme Court. Filing these 55 cases against the managing trustee is the third biggest mistake happened in this international treaty claim. Due to the false and fraudulent submission of these forged documents by SP Group, Mr. Thakur's personal properties, his gold, fixed deposits, the projects, the 2,000 acres of land, everything was seized by the court. This is the third biggest mistake which has happened against Thakur Family Trust. This video is an appeal towards the 10,000 farmers in the Raigad districts. This video is an appeal towards the Supreme Court to execute their orders to release the settlement by releasing all the properties, the projects, the acres of the land. This is an appeal for the payment of $500 billion as a compensation against the settlement of these projects and undergo the international rules. This is an appeal with a proposal to transfer the government lands for the project of wildlife sanctuary as per the guidelines of UNESCO. Here I would like to say that we don't want to proceed with the fourth mistake. We don't want a fourth mistake. Delaying the settlement is going to become a fourth mistake which has to be avoided by the government. Due to the delay of settlement, 23 farmers lost their life and more delay will kill more 100 farmers. If the Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, would get the appropriate information about this matter, Thakur Family Trust and the other investors would get justice. Accordingly, the stopped projects would start again and a recurring income of $500 billion will be coming in the upcoming 100 years for Government of India and Government of UAE. As a new treaty has been signed between Government of India and Government of UAE named SIPA, dated on 18th February 2022. The priority of this treaty is to develop the bilateral trades between both countries, and in this opportunity, I would like to request to take our bilateral treaty claim as a first priority and to settle this matter as early as possible. As per the SIPA treaty, Bipa treaty can be considered as the first settlement for this bilateral trade development activity, and according to Bipa, this can be settled amicably between Thakur Family Trust and UAE government along with India government, and either the compensation of 500 billions can be released along with the 2,000 acres of land in Mumbai, or 1,750 acres of government land can be released as a proposal for the development of private wildlife sanctuary and for the national development of India. This private wildlife sanctuary would be the International Geopark, and it will be under the guidelines of UNESCO. This is my humble request towards Government of India and the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Modi ji, that the settlement of this international treaty would be done effectively. It will be highly advantageous for the national development. And I am speaking on behalf of the Managing Trustee of Thakur Family Trust, Mr. Thakur. This is me, Advocate Yami Rajesh, signing.